This begins with one Clifford Birdsong. Mr. Birdsong celebrating his 92nd birthday in Girard. Mr. Birdsong, number one, a happy birthday. Number two, I know this is probably more important to you. Thank you for your service to our country, good sir.
Definitely appreciated. Happy birthday, Clifford. Gunnar Reddick is celebrating birthday number 6 there in Chanute. Happy birthday, Gunnar. Looks like you got a little friend to celebrate with.
Isaiah Steele, he is also celebrating his 6th birthday. Isaiah, I want you to have a marvelous day, kiddo.
Logan Fint celebrating 7 strong this year. It's the day for boys and their pups. Logan is in Carthage.
Pictures of everybody and their dogs today. I like that.
Yeah, I like it.
Devin Miller, he is in Girard, sporting, I like the hat, Devin. Good look, man, good look. Devin is, I think I said 7 in Girard. I'll back that up again.
All right, we've got Haley Spencer, who's now sweet 16 in Peoria, Oklahoma. Happy birthday, Haley.
Rachel Ursum, we've got a special birthday wish from your best friend, Katie, as Rachel turns 25 in Lamar. I'm gonna guess that's Katie in the picture.
I'm guessing. It's thing 1
I'm
and thing 2.
guessing.
All right, happy birthday, Rachel. And a happy birthday going out to Heather Buchanan in Jasper, Missouri. Heather is 43. Looks like she's a Royals fan.
Those make me long for a day, a entire season of Major League Baseball.
The K. I know.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Heather. Even though it makes me long for it, I do appreciate a little hearkening back to better times.
We'll get there again someday, Michael. We'll get there.
Hey, David Todd's got a 54th birthday. And David, this happy birthday wish comes from your wife, Celeste. So even though it's your birthday, make sure you take care of Celeste today. Happy birthday, David.
Dave Sayer celebrating birthday number 60 this year. Dave is in Arma, and he's a veteran in the U.S. Army.
Bill Carroll Jr., Bill celebrating his 62nd birthday. Have a great day, Bill.
All right. Jan Geyer celebrating birthday number 69 this year in Farlington. Happy birthday, Jan.
Yeah, somebody gets spoiled, don't they? Guarantee it. Larry Yockey, a 75th birthday. Larry, a very happy birthday to you in Parsons.
All right, Aiden Fisher is 17 years old this year. And that would be Larry's grandson. So they're going to have a great weekend. Aiden is in Girard.
And in Radley, Susie Aldrighetti. Love from the family, Miss Susie, and a happy, happy birthday.
Kenny and Christy Geyer are celebrating their 44th anniversary. I haven't seen Miss Christy in a while. Hope you guys have a wonderful year together.
Johnny Zwallen, a happy birthday in Chetopa. Nancy Christian celebrating in Mulberry, Kansas. And Colton Noble, a happy 14th to you in Parsons.
Jean Frederick celebrating birthday number 92 this year in Humboldt. Ashley Lopp is 17 years old. And check out this one. Carmen Didier Slotman celebrating the big 100.
Now, I want to give everybody a little background about Miss Slotman. This is a very interesting story. Carmen is 100. Her husband is 94 years old, and they met 80 years ago. That's right, her and her husband met 80 years ago. And he proposed back then, back in 1940. But they both married someone else. Now get this, in 2003, they finally tied the knot.
Aww.
So not only is Miss Slotman celebrating her 100th birthday, but later this year, she'll be celebrating her 18th wedding anniversary as well. Happy birthday, Carmen. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. It's a fun club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.